Hello Numberblock fans! In today's video, we're going to explore our Numberblock clubs again, but this time in the Cube Club. Well, Numberblock Cube Club, I build only 4 characters because if you build more than 4, like 125, 216, and so on, it's too big. That's why I don't build them. I build from 1 to 64. But some case I build only less than 10, like 9, 8, 7, and so on. And let's begin the Numberblock Cube Club. Well, Numberblock Cube, the first member of the Numberblock Cube Club is Numberblock One. Numberblock One needs 1 red cube. Wait, do you know cube? Cube has 6 faces, and the faces are all squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It has 6 square faces. It's a 3D shape. It's the realistic in the geometry. Well, no, that's why they call Mathlink Cubes, because it has some geometry on the cubes. Anyways, let's build a Numberblock One. Numberblock One has 1 red block, and we need 1 faceplate. And also, we need our Numberblock One's Numberlink. Well, here is our finished Numberblock One. Numberblock One is made out of 1 by 1 by 1. Well, Numberblock One, that's why Numberblock One is the first member of the Cube Club. Can you guess what is the second member of the Cube Club? That's it. Second member of the Cube Club is 8. Numberblock 8 is made out of 2 by 2 by 2. Well, Numberblock 8 is made out of 2 by 2 by 2, and which means he's made out of 2 square 4s. 2 4s are 8. Hey, I don't think I build like this. I want to make it stucker than once. Well, here is our Numberblock 8. This one. 2 by 2 by 2. We have 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 faces. Q has 6 square faces. See, they're all squares. If they are rectangle or circle or other shapes, it's not called a cube. But he is a cube because all faces are square. We need 4 faceplate and 1 numberlink. And let's see, Numberblock 8 is made out of 2 by 2 by 2. We have 3 dimensions. And here's our finished Numberblock 8. Let's build our Numberblock 27. 27 is made out of 20 peach blocks and 7 rainbow blocks. Well, 27, she's the 3rd member of the Cube Club. She's made out of 3 by 3 by 3. Well, Numberblock 27, she is the 3rd member of the Superhero Club too, because every number block is a cube is a superhero, or the number block can be divided by 8, like 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and so on. Also, a superhero club too. The number blocks can divided by 8, or is a cube club is a superhero. Well, we have to notice that the numbers which is made out of cube club or the made out of 8 club is a superhero. Just note that. You can take notes too. Well, anyways, 27, we're going to build 3 by 3 by 3 square first. So we got 2 9s. 2 9s are 18. And then let's build 9 more to make 27. So 3 9s are 27. No. There. We got 9. We got 3 9s. 3 square 9s or 3 3 3s. There. And then we attach the squares to each other. There. And here we got a cube. Wow, so 3D. And here we need one yellow faceplate. And don't forget her number link. She's the third member of the Cube Club. She's made out of 3 by 3 by 3. Wow, so cute. And let's go to the last character. Let's build our number block 64. 64 is the fourth member of the Cube Club. She's made out of 4 by 4 by 4. She splits into 4 square 16s. But also, she splits into 4 4s. But she's also a square too. She's the 8th member of the Square Club. And she's also the 4th member of the Cube Club. 4 by 4 by 4. Well, she has the purple features. And this represents the number block 60. Well, number block 64, I will 4 by 4 by 4. Like this. She has the square eyes. And this is because she is made out of 8 8s. And she's the member of the Super Rectangle Club too. But there's more. She is the Cube, Super Rectangle, and the made out of Cube, Super Rectangle, and the Square Club. But she's also made out of 8 8s, which means she's the member of the Octular Club. Oh my gosh, this Mathlink Cubes looks bit difficult to build. Well, like this. Oh. Oops. The blocks are almost finished. Just wait for a little bit. Well, sometimes 64 has the cube symbol on her forehead. Sometimes because she's the 4th member of this Cube Club. Almost ready. Whoa, there. Here is the cube. Number block 64. Let's attach the face stickers. Alright, let's attach the face stickers. We need 2 square eyes, and she has the purple features, and this is because represent the number block 60. And this is because she has the 60 light indigo blocks in all 64 blocks. There, like this. Number block 64. It's a bit ugly. Anyways, don't think about it. There, 4 by 4 by 4. And that's all of the Cube Club. Alright, can you guess the member which is the Cube Club? Well, I'll give you a hint. We have 4 members. Let's go. Can you guess who is the second member of the Cube Club? That's right, it's 8. 8 is the second member of the Cube Club. 2 by 2 by 2. Wow. You are so clever. And let's ask you another question. Who is made out of 8 8s? You're right. It's our number block 64. 64 is the 8th member of the Square Club. 8 by 8. That's why she has square eyes. She's the member of the Cube Club and the Square Club. Guys, what is 20 plus 7? That's right. It's our number block 27. 27 is made out of 20 plus 7. Last question. Who is the first number block in the Numberland? The first number block in the Numberland is 1. Number block 1 is the first number block in the Numberland. And she loves everything for her own. Alright, that was the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this video, you can click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications from my new videos. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.